Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your recently viewed items on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using the Costco app and you took a look at an item, but then you actually exited and you want to go ahead and find the item again. How do you actually see your recently viewed items? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, it's actually rather simple. First, log on to the Costco app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, go ahead and click on the cart button. And then on this button here, if you scroll down, you're going to see your recently viewed products. So this right here, for example, is the TV that I just clicked on before, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your recently viewed items on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.